Hello and welcome to the course. In today's lecture, we will learn about all selected function. In the previous lecture, we have seen that if I don't select anything from the slicer, then the sale percentage is 100%. That is correct. But whenever I select anything from the slicer like female or male, then the percentage was not correct. The reason is we have if I look at the formula for the sale percentage, we have all sales, total sales divided by all sales, and normally we should get here 14908686.36 should be repeated with the each row. But what I'm getting is I'm getting all the time I'm getting this amount started with 30. See, if I click female, it doesn't affect anything, but what we need is we need this amount to be repeated with every row on this visual. So how to solve this issue? We need to create one more measures. Let me go to the all sales. We have created already this measure. I can copy and create a new measure. So here we have to write all selected, and the formula is we have to change it. Instead of all, it should be all selected. So what all selected will do, all selected will get all the filters coming from the outside, and it will ignore all the inner filters. We have two types of filters. The first filter is coming from the slicer, that is called outer filter, and the filter that is available inside the visual, that is inner filter. So the all selected function takes filter from the outer side but ignore the filters from the inner side. Let me drag and drop all selected sales, and here you can see if I select female, then the total sale is like 15, started with 15, and here you can see we are getting with every row we are getting 15. If I select male, then it's like starting with 14908686.36, and the same amount is repeating with every country. So it is ignoring the inner filter, but it is taking into the count the external filter. So what we have to do is now we have to see here is like a 50.46%. So how to fix this sale percentage? We need to go to the sale percentage, and instead of sale we have to write the newly created measure all selected sales. Hit enter, and here you can see now we have sales percentages 100%. If I select male or female, it is 100%. If I don't select anything, it is still 100%. So all selected function is very helpful to solve this type of issues.